my final year project demo, which revolves around my prototype. My name is Dominykas Kazlauskas. My UB number is 120160028. Okay, let's log in as an administrator. First account I will demonstrate. Here we have logged in as the super admin. That means that we have an greater overview of things than a normal manager admin would. Here we can see all list of users. We can look up any user individually, how they did in the last test, what answers they got, and what questions they got and what answers they gave. Here's a new user I recently created, but we'll just delete him for now. We can make a new one. We can add a new user. Any admin has this possibility. I'll explain a difference in between user creation between a super admin and a normal admin in a second. Let's say all of these fields are validized. So let's say that we use username, user10, first name John, last name Smith, and the password is currently set to be at least 6 characters long and have at least one number. So let's assume I enter 4 characters and click submit, and as you see, it doesn't work. Now I'm gonna make a proper password, and this area here, this is the difference between a super admin and a normal admin. See, a super admin can add other admin accounts, whereas a normal admin cannot do that. It's for security reasons, that in case other admin accounts are compromised, you cannot make other additional administrator accounts. So here we have created a new user. This is the all admin overview. Currently we only have one manager. Creation of a new manager is exactly the same as the old one. Let's say manager 2 and 2 password. Now let's change up to 3, I think. And we just simply mark as new admin. And here we have 2 admins now. Great. Okay, in statistics we can have a quick overview of all kinds of statistics. I don't have much time to run through all of them, but let's say these particular, the first statistics that you see when you go into the statistics page. This is the overall statistics of performance since the system has been running. So at the minute, I have set the prototype to work on 5 questions per test. So you have correct answers from 0 to 5, and the percentage of people that got them. So we can see from this that nearly 40% of people got 4 out of 5 correct while taking their test. Here we go, 38% of people. And we can see that what was it? 5% got nearly 5% got 2 out of 5 correct, which is not great. And these are the session statistics. We can compare each session of testing against each other, and we can see whether the training given in between the sessions is working or not. Basically, we can compare, we can see whether the training that we're giving the employees is good enough, or whether further training is necessary, or and if the training that we are providing is actually useful. Maybe it's counterproductive and we're just wasting our time. Below we can look into some more detailed statistics that will basically show you the same information. It'll just serve it in a more appropriate manner per session. It focuses on the particular session rather than having a line graph. Imagine you have 50 sessions. It's going to be kind of not as easy to see each session individually. So here you have a drop-down menu to have a look at each of them individually. Okay, that's the basics of the admin panel. We can take a quick test. We'll log in as the user we created earlier. We have a choice between the practice test and the real test. Take the real test. The users typically will read through this. I will click on random things at the minute. I don't have the time to read. And you simply go through the test. And all of this, well, look at that, I got 4 out of 5 at random. And all of this individually will be recorded and stored in the database, and all the statistics will be gathered from these tests. Thank you for listening. Was the short demo of my final year project.